Hi guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a color splash effect in CapCut PC. So in here you can just add your videos and copy paste it. You can right click and copy and then paste it like this. Click on the second clips or the one at the top and then remove its background. Go to remove background. Here I'm going to just use the auto removal. You can see now CapCut will applying the auto cut. See the progress in here. So after the auto cutout is completed, you can just click on the first videos right here and then go to the adjustment and here scroll down and you can just adjust the thumb, thin and saturations to get the color that you prefer. Okay, I'm going with this color. So you can see now the person and also the background will have a different color or will create the color splash effect just like that. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.